Hey everyone, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. Inside the showroom this afternoon, checking out this gorgeous 1937 Ford 5-window coupe. Now this car I'm very familiar with as I purchased it originally about 4 years ago. Sold it to a gentleman up north and had the opportunity to buy it back, which I jumped at. Absolutely gorgeous paint and body, and probably best of all is this baby is set up to drive and enjoy. It originally spent most of its life in Idaho. The gentleman I bought it from the first time was in Arizona, and his comment, and he's owned quite a few hot rods, was this one was hard to let go simply because of just how nice this car drove, aside from the fact that it's absolutely gorgeous. It's an all steel body 37. The only fiberglass on this car are the rear fenders, but everything else, your hood, everything is all steel. And as you'll see, the paint and body are absolutely beautiful. Body lines up really nicely. The doors shut great. Running boards look great. You can see in the pictures that I'll have posted just how nice the body is. It's not flawless. It's been driven. Again, the restoration was done about 9 years ago, but any flaws on this car are very small, and most of you probably won't find them after too long. It'll take a while to find the flaws that I've seen. Really great stance. Nice pipes coming out the rear. I mean, this is just a true hot rod when you think about American hot rods. A 37 5-window coupe stands right up there. It's got the right stance. It's got the fat tires on the rear. It's sitting on a beautiful set of torque thrust wheels, polished. Nice fat tires in the rear and a little bit narrower up front. But man, she is really, really sweet. Gotta love the teardrop headlights. The chrome on the grille is gorgeous. So underneath the hood on this one is a 383 stroker with a set of dual quad Edelbrock carburetors on it, headers. The thing sounds great, idles great, and runs out fantastic. It's mated to a turbo 350 automatic. It's got power front disc brakes. It's got power steering. It's got Mustang 2 front end. Interior is beautiful as well. Did a nice wood grain banjo wheel. Door panels, seats all match really nicely. Driver's side seat is a power seat, so it'll accommodate pretty much drivers of every size. So very comfortable being in the cabin of this 37. It's got a tilt column. It's got a nice stereo. It's got air conditioning. Pretty much anything you can ask for or expect in one of these has been done, and been done to a really nice level. Current mileage is 4258. That's only about 300 miles more than what was put on it when I sold it 4 years ago. So driven very sparingly. I'm gonna fire it up, let you hear it running. Fires right up. Knee knocker tack. Just got a nice lope at idle. I'll let you hear it. Just sounds right. If you've been looking for a sweet hot rod that you can get in, drive and enjoy, take to the car shows, win your share of trophies, put the wife, the girlfriend, the grandkids, whoever it may be in, this one will be a ton of fun, really high quality build. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, 770-359-8400. Thanks very much. Good Good luck on this one.